Now we're going to do the mattress stitch. It's one of the harder stitches, and I won't recommend it for, or it's an excellent stitch. It's a seam, and I won't recommend it if you're very new to this. It took me quite some time to learn it, but it is very magical, and I really do want to show it to you. We're going to start in the corner. We're going to start with our squares, right side facing up. Put them together so the back sides are against each other. We're going into the corner. Going into, again, I have 2 chains in my corner. If you have 3, you can use your centered one. I'm going to use this one out to my left, and I'm going through both loops in the V-stitch, and the same goes for the other one over here. I'm going to pull my yarn through. I'm not going to put it in a knot this time because I actually kind of want to show you without it. For the mattress stitch, we're going to go back and work in this first stitch again that we just came out of. So we're going in from the outside, inside the stitch, or inside between the squares. Let's just pull on that one. And then we're going to go into the next yellow stitch from the inside and outside, like that. And then we're going to go back into the first red one we had over here, going in from the outside to the inside and working into the next stitch next right to it. So coming from the inside to the outside, going through that stitch. So we are going through a stitch we've already been in, and we're coming out of a new one. And then we go back over to the stitch we had over here, coming from the outside to the inside, going to the next stitch from the inside, coming outside. Like that. Back to the red stitch over here, from the outside and through the next stitch, coming from the inside, going out. One more time, so back over to the yellow stitch over here, from the outside to the inside. Let's pull that through. And you can just do it one step at a time. You don't have to do like I'm doing with some of them where I do 2 stitches at a time. And going from the inside out. Especially, I would really recommend in the beginning that you only do like 1 step at a time. So again, over to the red, into the center, pull through, and come out on that next red one to the outside. So always on the outside when you're done with the stitch. Back over to the yellow one from the outside and in, like that. And then from the inside out, coming out here on that yellow square. So as you can see, this does not look particularly pretty. I'll agree to that. But try and see what happens when we pull on the yarn. This happens. The stitch kind of disappears into the 2 squares. We can sense a little bit of the blue over here, but that could also be because I didn't hit the stitch perfectly. If you go on the other side, it does create a little bit of a height down here or on the back, but that is because we're pulling those loops together. But this is really almost invisible. And again, if you used one of the 2 colors, or if you had 2 squares in the same color and you used that color, you wouldn't be able to tell. So this is really truly a magic stitch, and you can do a couple of stitches and then pull, and they will just go away. So really nice, but it takes a little practice, but it is a really nice stitch.